An amazing way to prepare chicken. To start, put hot water and 25 ounces of chicken thigh in a skillet. Let it cook for 10 minutes. In another skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a bit of olive oil. Stir until the butter melts. This is the doneness we're looking for in the chicken. Place the chicken in the skillet and start mixing. Let it fry for 2 minutes. To season, add salt to taste, black pepper, and paprika to taste. Mix well, so that all the seasoning is incorporated into the chicken. In a bowl, add 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2/3 of a fluid ounce of lemon juice, and 1 2/3 fluid ounces of water. Mix everything very well. There you have it. Perfect. Add the sauce to the chicken. Let it cook for 5 minutes. And just like that, our delicious barbecue sauce chicken is ready. What did you think of this recipe? If you enjoyed it, give the video a like. Not part of our community yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our creations.